Hey, it's Ranger 374 coming to you from the Bass Cave. Got a tackle warehouse order. It's my MTB replacement. What I used to spend the money on MTB. I just buy some stuff from Tackle Warehouse as, about the same price I would spend on the MTB. Got some new stuff in it and just some kind of regular stuff. Hope everybody's safe out there. It's been a pretty good year. I got some 6 cents. They're called the Crude. This is a new one. I never saw these and just happened to see them on there. They're like a tube crawfish type deal. I'm gonna pull one out. This color is called Crawfish Crunch. And this is what it looks like. I guess feels like it's hollow inside. It's a 3-inch crawfish. And it's a tube. I guess you rig it up like a tube, but it's got the profile of a crawfish on there. I got a couple packs of these. Like I said, that's called Crawfish Crunch. And I got black and blue, my old standby. Black and blue. This is called, yeah, it's just black and blue flake. We'll check her out. They smell pretty good. Something on them. But that's pretty much it. It's just a tube. Got that tube profile. Be pretty good on a tube hook. Give them a shot. That was something new that I saw, so been throwing tubes that much. I just threw some last weekend, caught some smallies on a reservoir, but I don't get to fish for smallmouth that much. This one is the Freaky Crawl by Molex. This color is called Cola. I'm pretty sure these were new. I don't think I've seen these, but getting some smaller stuff. Going to get hot out, so throw some smaller stuff. But that's another crawfish type looking bait. I think that's 4-inch. It's a 4-inch. You could actually use this on the back of a trailer. Small jig. Might be able to actually put that on the back of a chatterbait. But that's the Molex Freaky Crawl. And I got another pack of them. I don't open these ones up. You can see this. This is just orange pumpkin. Cool color. And I got a bunch of gambler stuff. Matter of fact, I got my gambler jersey on today. Been using gambler forever. Gambler and Zoom. The other one, been using Zoom just as long. Two of my favorite plastics. But June bug, ribbon tail worms. Got a pack of them. Everybody knows what a ribbon tail worm looks like. And I got, because I used to throw these in the 90s, I got, these ones you can't open either without ripping them open. I got the baby bacon rinds in June bug. See that color on there, pretty good. I like their June bug color. Gambler makes a pretty awesome June bug. But I have these in the old school deal from the 90s, and these are the new package, so I'm going to see if there's any difference in them. I also got them in the green pumpkin baby bacon rind. Give them a shot. They smell, man, you smell them through the packs. It's like garlic. Good old gambler stuff, you can smell it. Another bacon rind, black blue, it's called Back At Ya. Another pack of them. So I'll be throwing these here probably next weekend. Now these ones, these were new. I got 1, 2. These are their new chunks. And I'm gonna have to get one of these open. It's a gambler chunk. I can't really see it. I gotta open this thing up. I want to see these. If I can open them. They got them pretty sealed up. Get this thing open. Got my handy dandy scissors right here, so we'll get these open. I don't know how they sealed these things up, but they sealed them up good. So anyway, short intermission. It's like opening up a Ziploc bag. You don't want to, can't ever get open. There we go. Anyway, these are, I guess they're mini chunks, but that's pretty cool blue. Nice looking chunk, throw on the back of a finesse jig. Pretty cool deal. Like him. That'll look good on back with black blue jig. But got a few packs of these. I won't cut all these open since they seem to be a hassle, but I got June bug, that same June bug color. It's the worms. Gambler lure. These are Gambler Chunk Juniors is what they're called. So anyway, got them in a Back At Ya, another black blue one, black blue, like swirl, and good old faithful, just a plain old green pumpkin. So got them for back of some finesse jigs. The last thing I got, and these were absolutely tough to get, and this is the only one that wasn't back ordered on Tackle Warehouse, and of course it was a color I really like, so I at least got one of them. These are the new Shimano crankbaits. These are called, this one's called the flat, the MB57F flat, and this is a chartreuse and purple. I even got this thing all jack taped up. Man, that's a tough day opening stuff. I get it though. These guys don't want you to get their baits out of the package. But guess what? We won't get it out. They put tape on them and every other thing. Let's check this one out. Looks like it's got a computer chip board on it. And of course I dropped it. But got sharp hooks on it. That's the bait. It's like a peanut size in the black label. It's got that computer chip board. It's not a square bill. It's a rounded one. Really nice looking little bait. Looks like a peanut from black label. Sharp hooks on it. Sweet looking flat side bait. But so I'm gonna give that one a try. It's definitely pretty awesome looking. I like that bait. But they're not cheap. They're like 11 bucks, I think, something like that. But you see, got one knocker in it. If you can hear it. I like that one knocker. That's a good deal there. So I'm gonna check this bait out, give it a shot. But it says Jet Boost on it. I don't know if that stands for something they've done to it or what, but it says Jet Boost on it. But Shimano everyone knows that's watched me. I throw Shimano rods, reels, thrown them for years. But that's the new line of Shimano crankbait. They have several different styles. This is just a flat one. Everything else was on back order, so I figured I'd get one just to check it out. But that's it. That's for the Tackle Warehouse MTB replacement. I don't even know if I'm going to make any more on the MTB boxes. I'm getting like 3 more that were paid for free. I don't even know if I'm making it. I'm getting no views, and I don't think people are that interested in them. But anyhow, if I get one good box, you know, I might check them out ahead of time, see what it looks like. If it's crap, you know, I won't bother with it. But if it's a good box, you know, I'll let you know it's a pretty decent box. That last box was pretty good that was on my last video. So, we'll see. But anyway, that's it for now. Hope everybody's out there fishing and doing well. Stay safe out there. And that's it for this time. It's Ranger 374, and I'm out. Thank you.